Hello everybody, my name is Nathan. I'm gonna test this honey if this is pure. Mom, why this honey? Why honey is super important for all of us?
Well, honey is very rich in antioxidants and they are very good replacement instead of sugar because sugar has a bad effects also in our body and it's organic.
Mm. So, we're gonna test this honey if it's pure or fake. Test number 1. Thumb test. First, you put a bit of honey in the spoon. Then, put a little bit of honey in your thumb. Then, I will see if this intact, it means it's pure honey. The honey is over here in my tongue. When I shake it, does it fall? No, diba? It means this is pure honey. It means test number 1, pass. Number 2,
It's yummy.
water test. Put a little bit of honey inside the water. So, if the honey stays here, means it's pure honey. It's sticking inside the glass. It means that's number 2, pass. Third test, the flame test. Be careful, kids or adults. This is very dangerous. Put a little dip of honey in the match, and then if this fire, it means it's pure honey. Means it's this pure honey. It means the third test is pass. Means this honey is pure. Pick up from the 3 tests what we did. Thumb test. Honey should be sticky. Water test. It does not dissolve easily. Flame test. Your honey has no water added. It means it's pure. So, the honey, what we use, and it's also my favorite, is Sagada raw honey. Thank you.